And he did all of that. He broke all this floor, all this 48 by 18, him alone. Sat day by day and he took it.
We have the pieces out
So the
there.
pieces out there.
Those were the original baton
Yes.
out there.
And
Wow.
we could make a work day, and we got cement. We had people donate cement and sand and stuff for us. And we had a work day and we did the floor.
Wow.
With him doing that. That's one. Two, when they broke into the school, they broke in the first night and they took the first, we opened school today, Monday, and 2 days after they broke in. And they took the cylinders, we couldn't cook lunch, and they took the regulators and they took some paints. We never even missed the paints till long after. So maybe they took other stuff because they rifled through the cabinets and so, but that's nothing. So we were there, I was wondering what's going to happen because they're going to come back. It's really dark over here and we're going to come back, so on and so forth. And he said, I can stay over here in the meantime for you. And I turned to him and I said, why would you do that? You don't even have a child coming to this school. You know what he said to me? When it's...
Oh, got a phone coming off.
Is that what he said?
That's my baby laughing. Oh, this is a lady from England that donated the stuff. Give me a second, okay?
Please.